So we're going to sleep in vintage retro
Airstream. So we gotta show you. Let us show you actually. Let us show you a bit.
All right.
So that's our retro vintage Airstream, just for the weekend, but it's ours. It's ours.
Okay, let's see now. Yeah.
All right.
I don't know how to turn on the light, honestly. Maybe.
Whoop! We found it.
So it's actually much bigger than I expected, and seriously, here 4 people can live.
It's actually for 4 people. That's our bed. There is a little like loose mechanism on here, just sliding, you know. And that's 2 single beds, so 4 people can definitely sleep here, no problems.
And you have storage under the bed. It's really wide, so it's, I don't know if this retro radio or whatever it is, it's working, but it looks super cool. And I don't know what's that. I'm super new to vans, campers and caravans and all those things, but it looks cool, it looks retro. We're crazy about the 60s and the 70s, and look at the poster here. And the pancakes. I mean, everything's in the detail.
Oh yeah.
Like the wow, I love it.
Yeah, like the wow. I feel the same here. It's really old. They actually put some renovating, like heating system, and you know, clean and hot water. You can see the solar panels up here. Yeah, so they get electricity from the sun. It's really eco and everything. It's so clean and beautiful, and it's ultra old school. You know, it's hugely old.
I mean, it's big. I really think it's big. And check the showers like
Big enough, yeah.
You know, our apartment.
Oh, this guy, the Ford.
You have a lot of storage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have.
Oh, a hammock here. Yeah. An umbrella.
The one that we look is so much.
Ooh, and a small beautiful TV here. Woo.
Here, storage here.
Yeah, it's super.
Wait.
Wait. You guys are witnessing the birth of a great idea in the exact way we always wanted. Simple, minimalistic life on the road surrounded by nature and wilderness. What else to ask for? The whole idea of how we see freedom.
Congratulations, baby! We have a brand new mission to work on for the next year, and I'm sure our dogs will love it.
Check out the fridge though. It's with this really cool blue light here. Amazing.
It's big and it's working. I didn't expect to be so comfy to be in a van like that.
Super cool, yeah?
Yeah. We have so much luggage. Like we'll move here for
All right, let's see.
Yeah, like the end of the world is coming.
And a full trunk, you know.
Fully
Fully loaded.
Okay, I'll just start loading the fridge.
All right, guys, we'll just enjoy the sunset right now and do a barbecue. So We'll just hang out around here, the beautiful caravan. See you tomorrow. We'll get a lovely day in Cornwall, so we'll show you guys around. Yeah.
My, uh-huh. Oh, my, oh, uh-huh. Oh, yeah. My, oh, yeah.
Hello, Earth. Again, traveling.
Yeah, we had an amazing night here. It was very comfy actually. We even overslept and now we're rushing. As usual.
So what's the plan for today? We'll just look around Cornwall and the whole area.
Okay, we're not going to waste your time. Let us show you around.
Oh, well, well. Uh-huh. Oh, well, well.
This one is worth to come here at least for a full day. Yeah.
Take it. Well, well. Uh-huh. Well, well. All right.
So maybe that's seriously one of the most beautiful or the most beautiful beach in England. It doesn't look like UK, so...
It's super funny when your own bird attack you. Just be careful when you try to catch the drone from the air, because I catch it and I just move it with my hand. You have to be stative and just stay on one place, catch it, then turn off, then you go somewhere. I catch it and just try to move around and then turn off.
It was so funny. Yeah.
I've got my feet in the mud and you don't realize how with a walk down the alley you got me twice. Caught my eye, caught my hunger, and I'm caught in half.
Hey guys,
Being
we
late
just
again?
arrived here a little bit late, like 20 minutes off schedule, but I think we'll have time to do some pretty cool
If
videos
they let us in,
and photos.
it's close.
Here it looks stunning, really, like amazing. And now it's autumn, you can see the colors around are
Hurry, hurry.
wonderful.
And you see me come around from the other side. Come on and set the light in me, the light in me. You ought to know I get pretty messed up in your sight. You know I'm already with you. Treat me right. No, I'm as steady as a shaking light. You know it's real. You know it's real. Can see the bright from the sky in the morning light.
So yeah, we're done with Cornwall, but tomorrow we'll bring you to another area of the south of UK. Yeah, to our actually our favorite places that we have been there so many times, but there was always something. The weather, or we didn't bring the cam, or we were rushing, or with like a lot of friends, so we didn't have the
Always something
opportunity.
unusual.
Yeah, we didn't have the opportunity to make some good photos and videos. But this time, hopefully, we'll do it.
And yeah, here is the right moment just to tell you guys, if you support the things that we do, just please subscribe. Don't forget to do this because it's helping us developing
It takes just a
the,
second.
the things that we love. So yeah, just press the button, maybe the bell, maybe a like. If I'm not too much like pushy, a comment, you know. So hey, why did you shut me?
No, I just want to go home. Let's sleep.
Well, no,
Bye,
let's
bye.
play the last frame with Eli the dog.
Bye bye from me. I'm leaving.